Alrighty traders, George here, and time for a look at the trades of the week. Just 2 mornings ago, I showed you my balance beam model and some more incredible setups on some futures markets, Dow, oil, and gold. For the Dow, I should say right now to exit if you haven't already on the second trade setup. But for the Dow, this is the screenshot from Monday, and well, the main thing was to look to be long over 16.3s for a 100-point pop, and then a second phase over 470. Both of those triggers, this one completed, and this second scenario played out very well. In fact, we're exiting that right now. So the Dow did a very nice job there of following along the script. For gold, the setup was to be long at 11.0850s and to get up to conservatively to 11.1690s with the potential to move up to about 22s or so. And obviously that's what gold's done. It's moved through that zone and basically peaked out at about 22. And then here's the actual balance beam chart live on oil. And the setup here, where there was 3 different ones, the 2 to the short side just didn't materialize. The 1 to the long side here required price to reset if it got up to 45s because we had a long way to go to get there. And that's exactly what happened. It faded over $1 once it hit 45, but when it reattacked that level, chance to be long at 45.01s, and it easily got past this target zone here. So this is what it all looks like. Trading what you see, these 3 setups I showed you Monday, gold initially faded on the 108.50s, so a $300 loss there, but on the reset picked up 840 conservatively to target 1. I'm not even going to talk about the overshoot there. For the Dow, it did the same deal. It faded on the first hit, took a $300 loss. The reset went to target, and then on the second phase trade, we just talked about that exiting there. So that's in the money, as well as gold. And then for oil, just needed the reset on that guy to hit 45.01s, and there's another $880 for you. So you trade each one of these setups here, one contract, which is very easy to do. That's $2,205 that you got just trading one contract just over the last 2 days. And balance beam traders and DST clients will tell you there's no better tool to position trade the markets than the balance beam model. It simply has no peers whatsoever. Use the link at the bottom of the video, hop in the live room. You can hear me talk about big picture trades on the balance beam as well as see me do some day trading. And until then, I'll see you back in the live room.